my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys can see by the title and by my head, if you guys want to see how I got this style, just keep on watching. Before I even get into anything, I just want to say don't forget to follow me on Instagram at princess_.s. Don't forget to follow me on my business page at ricas.galore. And yeah, so I'm gonna just get into what I used, how many did I use, and yeah. So the hair that I used was, I don't want to show you guys that because it's wrong. It's the Free Tress Water Wave hair in the inch 22, and I use 1B, 1B30, and 27. So this is the 27. This is the 1B, and the 1B30 is this one. It's like brown, black at the top and brown at the bottom. So yeah, I used 6 packs, but I didn't use 6 full packs because of course I was mixing it with different colors all around my head. I will show you. Yes. I used 6 packs, but I was opening different packs to get the different colors, because for the 1B30 it was like highlights, so it had like 2 or 3, maybe 4 curls with the brown on it, so I kept opening different packs to get the brown. But yeah, I used 6 packs. In my head right now I have 37 parts. I counted it for you guys. A lot of people did like 40, a lot of people did 48, but I know dreads can get heavy, and because I don't want them heavy, I just decided, like, let me just do 37. I watched a few videos that did 40. One girl did 35, one girl did 48, but I did 37 because I feel like that's what works for me. I parted them really big as well, if you guys can see how big this one is. Yeah, this one's a block. Okay, but I parted them really big. In the back, the first row I have 3, and I have 4, and then I think I have 1 row of 5. No, they're all 4 in the back, I believe. And then up here is where I started to do, like, I did 1 here, and then 3, 3, 3, and then 1 here, 3, 3, and 3. So all together in total is 37 locks, 37 parts in my head. What else do I need to say? I would say this is my first time ever doing this style, so I don't know how I feel about it, but I will say I want to do it again. But the next time I do it again, I want to, like, you're gonna see in the video, but when I wrap it back up at the end, I want to spray Got to Be on it. I did it for the few that I just like finished just now. I didn't do it for all of them, of course, but for next time around, I will be doing that with the Got to Be, just to end it off so that it doesn't unravel. But if you tie it a few times good enough, it shouldn't unravel. But even if it does, it still looks good, because locks is a type of style where when it looks good when it's messy, if that makes sense. So yeah. What else do I want to tell you guys? What else do I want to say? This style took me 3 hours, I want to say. I started at 6:30 last night and I finished around 10, and then I went back in and changed some of the ones. But in all, I want to say 3 hours. I'll give it 3 hours and 30 minutes. But yeah, sorry, this is one of the styles that did not take long at all, which was, I was surprised, because I hate starting my hair so late because I know I'm gonna be up a long time. But it did not take long, maybe because it's a bob, and on top of that, the style is just quick and easy. Once you get the wrapping, you got it, baby. But yeah, I think that's all that I want to say. This style should last long. I don't know how long it's gonna last, because my real hair gets really trashy and really fast, and I'm just prone to taking out my hair. But one thing I will say is that on the parts, people put gel on the parts. I did not do that, just because my hair with gel gets white after a few days. But if you're the type of person that puts gel on your hair all the time and it's no problem, you go ahead. But for me, I can't put gel on my hair because, like, in braids and stuff like that, I don't normally put gel on my hair because it turns white after a few days. So I really just braid my hair kind of tight, not tight to the point where I can't, you know, but tight to the point where it looks neat. And yeah, that's all I have to say. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And I just want to come here to show you guys my hair and how it's parted. I have 37 braids in my head right now. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, I have I have 4 left at the top. Once I'm done, I'll take down my hair and show you guys. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab me some hair. Y'all, this hair, because I didn't cut this thing off, so I'm gonna do that right now. This is not a tutorial, by the way. I'm showing you guys how I did mine, and hopefully it will help you. But this is not a tutorial because I'm in no means like a hairstylist. I learned all these hairstyles by going on YouTube, and I like doing my own hair. I mean, I guess you can say I'm a hairstylist, but I style my own hair, so period. I'm a hairstylist, baby. But yeah, so you're gonna take the hair, the water wave hair, of course, and you're just gonna, so I've done passion twists with this hair like 2 to 3 times, and like this hair will tangle, so you literally have to just run your fingers through the hair first, and like, you feel me? If I'm wearing a different shirt, that's because it's a different day. I actually finished my hair last night, but I put this color all around the front, and I kind of liked it. But then when I went outside today, I'm like, I'm gonna put black in the front. So that's what I'm doing. That's why my clothes is different. But yeah, so I'm just pulling it through, and then I'm gonna fluff it out by just doing like this. Like I said, this hair will tangle, so beware. Okay, then you're gonna get your latch hook, your crochet latch hook, and you're just gonna, not a lot of people do this, but I literally just take the hair and wrap it around my finger, so it's like this, so it's a bit tighter. So when I grab the hair, it like, let me see if I can show you guys. I do like this, and I just, when I put it in my hair, I just grab it like this and close it, if that makes sense. But I'll show you guys. I'll try to zoom in on this part. Let me move this hair out the way with this clip. With this clip here. And then yeah, so throw the hair over your fingers. If it's cloudy right there, that's because the light is on this side. You see how it's going away? Yeah. Okay, anyways. I'm just gonna do like these. Push it through. I'm looking in the mirror behind, that's why. And then for this part, you only need, it's gonna form a loop. Just pull one piece through. One piece, one side, whatever. One half through. You don't have to pull the whole thing through. You see, like these. You don't even have to pull your braid through. And then what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna just make sure that it's leveled. Let me see if I can come up a bit. Hold on, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is, you see, I'm gonna just make sure that it's almost around the same. Some people like make it short, the shortness of their hair. I just level it because it just makes more sense. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this one out of this thingy here to measure the same length of it. So to measure the same length of this one, which I'm gonna take this one out and redo it, so yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna measure it with the same length of this one that's mixed in with brown right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab 1/2, and in 1/2 your real hair, the braid is here. So I'm gonna grab it like this, and I'm just gonna wrap it around using my thumb to help me. Let me grab it, sorry. The other one is in my way. And you wanna wrap it around the root just a few times. 3 to 4, but you don't want it too tight. But you just wrap it around the root to get it as tight as you would like. And then you just go. So I've seen videos of them using the thumb. The thumb method really does not work for me. I'm not gonna lie to you. I just wrap it loose, and that's how I get it like that. I don't use the thumb method. I've tried it way too many times throughout the whole head, and it just doesn't work for me. and I'm done. This is my hair. I like it better with the black at the front. I had this is a number 27. I had that at the front before and it wasn't bad, but it's just not me, you feel me? But yeah, so this is better. I like this one a lot more. But yeah, so yeah, this is how I did my hair. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.